Good morning, students. We read our topic Time Goes On. Okay, in recent classes, we read about calendar, about days, about months, right? Like this is a calendar of 2018, and we do these questions also. Now, next is the true story of Pedki Devi. This is a story of Pedki Devi. Okay, and this is true story. There is my timeline. So read it. My name is Pedki Devi. I live in a village in धनबाद डिस्ट्रिक्ट झारखंड. और ये कहाँ रहती है? हिज नेम इज़ पेडकी देवी एंड सी लिव इन अ विलेज इन धनबाद डिस्ट्रिक्ट. विच स्टेट? झारखंड. ओके, सो वेयर इज झारखंड? दिस इज अवर इंडियन मैप एंड हियर झारखंड. ओके, सो इन झारखंड स्टेट धनबाद डिस्ट्रिक्ट के किसी विलेज में ही रहती है. आई नेवर गॉट अ चांस टू गो टू स्कूल एंड सी नेवर गॉट अ चांस टू गो टू स्कूल. आई रिमेंबर दैट व्हेन आई वॉज 5 years old आई ब्रोक माई फुट. वॉट सी से? सी रिमेंबर दैट व्हेन सी was 5 years old she broke her foot. Okay, I had climbed a tree to eat the jamun fruit. Which fruit? To eat the jamun fruit. You know about jamun fruit? So you know about jam fruit? Jam fruit is like this. This is jam fruit. Okay, so when she was 5 years old, she broke her foot. Why? I had climbed a tree to eat the jamun fruit. Okay, but the branch broke and I fell down. But the branch broke and Pedki Devi fell down. क्या आप में से कोई कभी पेड़ पे चढ़ा है? My foot still hurts in winter. While grazing our goats, we often got busy in playing. While grazing our goats, we means Pedki Devi often got busy in playing. Once at the age of 10 years, I got a big scolding. I had lost one goat. Which age? Age of 10 years, she got a big scolding. Why? Because she lost one goat. Okay. At the age of 15 years, I was married. Which age? She married in 15 years age. In the age of 15 years. And which age she got scolding? Big scolding in 10 years. Okay. Next is, my husband was much older than me. Her husband is much older than her. My first daughter was born 3 years after my marriage. Her first daughter born after 3 years of her marriage. उसकी मैरिज हुई 15 years में. Then which age? Means 15 plus 3 18 years की एज में उसे क्या हो गया? बेबी बॉर्न. Okay, first baby born in 18 years age. Right? Later I had 3 more children when I was 20, 22 and 24 years old. Okay, first which age? 15 plus 3, because in 15 years she got married and after marriage 3 years she got her first child. So first 18 years old, then after this 20, 22 and 24 years. Right? Next, time passed very fast. Then I was busy with my farm housework and looking after my animals. Time चलता गया and she was busy with her farm, her housework and looking after her animals. Okay, but at the age of 35 years my world came to a stop. At the age of 35 years her world came to a stop. My husband fell ill and died. Her husband fell ill and died. Which age? when she was 35 years old, right? His brother tried to take away our farm. जो उसके ब्रदर थे, मीन्स उसके हस्बैंड के जो ब्रदर्स थे, उन्होंने क्या किया? ट्राई टू टेक अवे आवर फार्म, उनके फार्म लेने की कोशिश की. दे बीट मी बैडली एंड सेड आई वॉज अ विच. दे बीट हर बैडली एंड सेड शी वॉज अ विच. Some good people saved me, but some good people saved her. We fought a case against those who beat me up. जिन्होंने उसे मारा, उसके खिलाफ उन्होंने केस किया. At the age of 40 years, I saw a police station for the first time, which is at the age of 40 years, she saw a police station for the first time. Okay. Now, when I was 45 years, I learned to read and write, which is in the age of 45 years she learned to read and write, which is 45 years she learned to read and write. Okay. 2 years later, I got my eldest daughter married. After 2 years later, means after 45 plus 2 means age of 47 years, she got her eldest daughter married. Now I am 50 years old. I enjoy playing with my grandchild. 2 of my children are studying in school. Okay. So next, so once in 5 years old, she broke her foot. In 10 years old, she got big scolding. Why? Because she had lost one got. Then in 15 years age, she got married. After 3 years, means in age of 18 years, she got her first child. Then after that, then 3 in age of 20, 22 and 24. Then when she was in 35 years old, her husband fell ill and died. Okay. At the age of 40 years, she saw a police station for the first time, and she learned to read and write, which is 45 years old. Okay. Next, start some things that happened in her life are giving below, right? Mark these on her timeline. कुछ चीज़ें जो उसके साथ हुई है, उसे क्या करना है, हमें टाइमलाइन में नोट करना है. For example, when she was 5 years old, Petki broke her foot. A is marked at 5 on the timeline. This is a timeline. Okay, and we this is point we note here. Okay, we marked in this timeline. Like first is she broke her foot, which is 5 years age. So we write here 5. The next is lost one goat, which is she lost one goat in 10 or 15 years, which is because when she got big scolding in age of 10 years. Why she got scolded? Because she lost one goat. So we marked here B, point B. In 10 years age, she lost one goat. Then got married. In which age she got married? 15 years old, right? We read here 15 years I was married. At the age of 15 years I was married means जब वो 15 साल की थी तो she got married. Okay, so the third point is got married, which is 15 years. So there is after 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, then 50. So what we do? We write here in between 10 to 20. We mark here 15, right? And mark here C, because she got married on 15 years age. Had her fourth child. In which age she had her fourth child? First in 18 years, then 20, 22, 24, right? 20, 22, 24. So fourth child in 24 years. So there is 20 year and there is 30 year between this. So we draw here, there is 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. sorry, again try. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and then 30. So where is 24? Here. This is 21, 22, 23 and 24 years, right? In 24 years old, when she was 24 years old, she had her fourth child, right? So we write here 24 and mark here D point. Here, this is the D point. Okay. The next is, first saw a police station. In which age she saw a police station first time? In 40 years or 45 years age? Which age? Again we underline here. At the age of 40 years I saw a police station for the first time. So which age? 40 years age, right? So point number E. Where is point number E? In the age of 40 years. So here point E, right? Learn to read and write. Which is 45 years, right? Which is 45 years na? Because she learned to read and write in which age? 45 years age. So again we draw here 41, 42, 43, 44 and 45. Okay, so there is age of 45 and point number F. Once again try to mark this. 41, 42, sorry, try it. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. This is 45. Okay, so she got learn to read and write, which is 45 years old. There is 45 and there is point number F. We mark here point number F. Okay, next is, last point is G. Eldest daughter got married. Which is eldest daughter got married? Here, after 2 or 3 years? After 2 years. 2 years later I got my eldest daughter married, means 45 plus 2. 45 plus 2 is 47, right? So there is 45 na. So 46 and 47 in this age. 47 years age she married her first, means eldest daughter. Okay, so this is a timeline for Padki Devi's life. Okay, mark on the timeline when she was born. अब आपको भी एक टाइमलाइन बनानी है इस तरह से. एंड व्हेन mark on the timeline when she was born. She was born here, right? In the blank box draw a picture of Padki Devi as a newborn baby. यहाँ पे क्या करना है आपको? दिस इज अ टाइमलाइन और इसके साथ ये क्या है? पिक्चर्स हैं उसकी टाइम लाइफ की. मीन्स व्हेन शी वाज 5 years old she broke her foot. Why? Because she climbed a jam tree. Then when she was 10 years old she got big scold because she lost her goat. Then in age of 15 years she got married. Then age of 24 years she had her fourth child. Then 40 years old she saw a police station first time. Then in the age of 45 years she learned to read and write. And the age of 47 years she her eldest daughter got married, right? So when draw here a picture and mark when she was born, means age is 0, right? In the start of her lifetime. Make your own timeline. Ask people around you and mark at least one thing that happened in each year of your life. Okay, तो इस तरह से आपको एक टाइमलाइन बनानी है. Make timeline of people you admire. These can be from among your family, friends, teacher, etc. Make your own timeline. Ask people around you and mark at least one thing that happened in each year of your life. Okay, means in this year what happened with you, mark here. In the age of which age you go to school, 5 year or 4 years, so mark here. Okay, thanks. Next video and next class.